Happy Friday, guys. Happy Friday. I haven't picked up the camera all day, because I left out at 7:45 to go drop off the kids, and I literally have been shopping all day. But my house is like a good 80% complete. I just have to do my room and the kitchen, and then the kids are just gonna get their tree, and then maybe next year my house will be completely decorated for Christmas. But for right now, I just need to take it slow because it costs a lot of money to decorate like full blown for Christmas. But today is our 13-year wedding anniversary, and I'm cooking Rob steak, baked sweet potato, because of course he's trying to lose weight, and I didn't make weigh-in today. I came close. I was 202.4, and I came close. Gotta pat myself on the back. I'm pretty sure by the time the weekend is over, I can get out of the 200s, but I didn't make it for my anniversary, which is fine. And this tank top is tight as all get out, but I mean, it's not tight, but it's tight. Anyways, this was when I was like small. Like, I used to work out a long time ago. You guys know. Anyways, I don't know why I'm telling you guys all this stuff, but Rob told me I could go shopping for my anniversary because, yeah, he's working all day and he's not going to be able to get me anything. So he was like, just go pick out a few items that you want and get it. So I picked it out, and then I got some stuff for him. So I'm going to show you guys what I got him and what I picked out decor-wise. Like, that's where all my money goes, for decor. So I'm going to turn you guys around and show you guys what I got. Okay, guys. I might have gone a bit overboard, but you guys know me. So I got these wreaths. I like them. They were originally $9.99, and I got them half off, so for something, almost $5. And I'm gonna show you guys where I want these. I want these in two places, but the idea that I had, that tiny wreath was $1.99 for my kitchen doors. But I love this look better. It's chunkier, and I love the greenage. I love the whatever this is. I love this on here. So I just picked up two to see if it works in the space that I want it for, and if I like them, then I'll go back and get the other 6. So that's like, Jesus, I don't know, a lot of money. Then I got this guy. Let me dust him off. I got this guy. It says diner, and I'm gonna put it over top of my cabinets, and it was $40, 80% off. So I paid $8 for this. And I like it, so I'm gonna show you guys that in its space. And then I got this from Target, Joyful. I wasn't gonna get any of their Christmas sign this year because I have a ton from last year, but for some reason I just love this, and I'm going with this green, this exact green in my bedroom. So I don't know, I'm obsessed with this green this year. Then also from Target, I got this little house. I love house. If you guys know anything about me, I love houses. Like, I love houses. Like, there's a house right there. There's a house right there. And there are more houses around here. Trust me when I say. But I got this. It was $1. And then from Michael's, I ordered these online yesterday, and I went to pick them up. They're just the garland, the beaded garland. And then the other one I stuck in there. I still have to fix it, but I just wanted to see what I was gonna do with it. Even if I don't use it, I can save it for something. And then from Target, I got these trees, because if you follow me on Instagram, make sure you follow me on Instagram, because that's where all my ideas are showcased over there. So make sure you're following me for decor stuff over there. I got these flock tree. I asked you guys on Instagram whether you wanted flocked or green, and you guys said flocked. So I went flocked. So I got a ton of these. They only had 6, and I need a total of 9. But I also have 2 over there that I can pull. So I need 1 more for my. I'm making I'm making a tree farm over top of my kitchen cabinets for Christmas. So that's why I bought those. And plus, you can't have too many trees. And then I got this little wooden thing. And my idea is to turn it into a candle holder. I don't know what it was originally. It says candle, but you can see that, you know, something's missing from it. So I was like, if they have more, I would totally get it. I'm thinking of putting a bottle brush tree in here and putting it on my nightstand. So stinking cute. So I paid $2.99 for that. A little pricey, but whatever. And this thing, I'm obsessed. You can totally see that it's warped. And it's the reason why it's on clearance. But it was $4.99. And I love the little table. I love the detail on it. I don't know if that's how it's supposed to be. But I love it. I fell in love with it. And I had to have it. I'm obsessed with little table, stand, whatever. And then next, these are for my bedroom. No reds are going in my bedroom this year. So I got that. And I'm still on the hunt for my throw blanket and my throw pillows. I can't find the green I'm looking for, and I'm not settling. And then last but not least, I got another 3-foot snow flock tree from Walmart, $16.99. And I have one here, and I'm gonna be getting a ton more because I just love these. I want the 4-foot, but my store don't have them, and I'm not driving 20 minutes away just to go pick up a tree that I don't need. So that's it. So let me show you guys what I got. Let me show you guys what I got hubby. I got him a sweater. It just looks like that.
Want me to hold it?
Isn't that cute? I'll hold it. Yeah, I got him that. And he was asking because he was like, I need a sweater because the sweater that he has is worn. So I got him that. I'm snacking on some cheese. So yeah. Oh, and I got him a card. It's totally purple. It says, in a lifetime, if we're lucky, we may find that one special someone to love. Glad I found you. So let me tell y'all a little backstory about that. Let me go put y'all up because you guys are getting heavy as heck. No, they're heavy. And y'all shaking. Hold on. I can't wait to order my my camera battery. Oh my gosh. My cabinet's chipping.
Sit down, Mommy.
Anyway, all is the same. Okay, so my cheesecakes are going in, and then the steak is there. So all I gotta do is shut that. Okay, so hubby's still not here. I'm tired. Sweet potatoes are done. Oh, it's hot. That's my sweet potato. And I'm getting ready to cut up this avocado and toss it in this avocado salad that I'm making as a side for Hubs. So that, where is it? Let me pull it out and show you guys because the lighting in this kitchen is kind of weird. So, okay, so I'm gonna make him a avocado ranch salad, and then I picked this up sunflower. I don't want the bacon because I'm pretty sure the bacon is separated. I just wanted the seeds. See, it's not focusing. I just wanted the seeds and stuff in here, so I'm not gonna use the bacon. And then I have the avocado here. I'm gonna cut it up and put it on here, and that's gonna be his side. Yes, it's Friday. So the bacon is separated, so yeah, we don't need that. And then I got this one. I love this guy right here. Toss it in. Toss it in.
You hurt me, you did, several times. It hurts to admit that we're no different. I find it hard to commit, but you don't even try. Still I'm better with than without you. Oh, I'm on it, I want it, but why do you seem to call it your eyes? I can't tell if you're here or you're out there. Do you wanna be out there? You don't need to be Prince Charming to me. I just need this to be real. I don't need no fairy tale. You don't need a killer pregnant for me. Ooh, I don't need no fairy tale. I don't need no. We run and go still every time. Whatever it is, I keep on trying. 'Cause it ain't hard to forgive when you know what it's like. That's why I'm better with than without you. Oh, I'm on it, I want it, but why do you seem to call it your eyes? I can't tell if you're here or you're out there. Do you wanna be out there? You don't need to be Prince Charming to me. I just need this to be real. I don't need no fairy tale. You don't need a killer pregnant for me. Ooh.
Okay, Mr. Rob is home, and this is my favorite. He knows that.
Mommy.
I have to get the kids to sign the card. But he got me this pair of gloves because I don't have any gloves. Lindor chocolate. He's trying to make me fat, and I haven't opened the card. Happy anniversary! So I have to give him his stuff, and then go get ready for dinner, and get the kids' dinner ready. I don't know why I make these weird faces. So this is my plate. This is Mr. Rob's plate. And dinner is served. Okay guys, so this is what the wreaths look like on the door. And I have to just finish the rest. That's what the tree and the diner sign looks like. I don't like the trees. I feel like they just kind of get lost. And then I have to get a Christmas sign. Oh, I'm tired. So I like this look, and that's the wreath I'm going with. So I have to go back and purchase 6 more because I only got 2. I love them. It's over there. Daddy brought it. Want to say hi, Rob?
Hello.
How you feel about celebrating 13 years?
Good?
Good?
This is a bad shot for me though.
Why is it a bad shot?
Cause I'm like leaning, I'm like
Okay, would you want me to do full on?
Huh?
You want me to do full on?
I have good angles.
Okay, this is from the kids and I.
Yeah, I have good angles. Oh, money.
Oh gosh, is that what you wanted? I mean, you work for it, so.
In a lifetime, if we're lucky, we may find that a special someone to love. I love you by destiny. I love you, Daddy. Jordan. You are the best dad. Love, Jason. I love you, Daddy. Jackson. Glad I found you. 13 wonderful years with an amazing man. I love you today and forever. Love always, chocolate baby. That's funny.
Okay, so feels like Christmas. I got you a little something.
A little something?
It's a little something. It's nothing big, because I know you was going to get me something, so I was like, turn that down. I hope you like it.
Got a hoodie. It's nice. It looks warm.
I hope it's warm.
Did it fit?
Yeah.
Fit.
There you go. Now you have a hoodie.
Thank you.
And you can stop saying, oh, I want a nice hoodie.
Yeah.
I was hoping you'd like it. It looks really nice.
Looks good?
You look grown up now. You look like a man.
No, Mommy, he always looks like a man.
He looks amazing.
Sorry, I gotta look at myself.
Okay, well, you do that.
Yeah, no, it looks good.
It looks nice. I like it.
Yeah.
I was kind of hesitant to get you a size that
What is
big
this, 2X?
because 2X, but
Yeah.
I was like, even if you do lose the weight, you can still wear it.
Yeah, because I can wear this with layers or another
Yeah.
jacket underneath of it or something. Yeah, looks
So,
good.
I like that.
Thank you.
Pretty. You're so welcome.
I need this to go walking with you.
So I showed you guys what he got me because we knew the budget and my stuff over there. Oh.
Do you need help?
Here, hold this. Thank you. Oh, thank you, Jordan. Okay, let's see what Daddy says.
This is so warm.
He always buys me the fancy card. And to think I was up in Walmart
So
just
warm.
not willing to pay $7 for a card. This was $1.
Oh,
The
great.
lady was like, I was sitting there and I was like, $7.99? Just doing the most. And the lady goes, the value section is over there. I was like, I was embarrassed, but at the same time I was excited because I was like, that's what I'm looking for is the 99-cent card. But at the same time, I was kind of pissed off because she was like, you know.
I was going to get you a 99
And I wasn't gonna.
But then I was like, it looks so cheap.
So it says, your love means everything to me. No matter how busy we are, working, sharing responsibilities, trying to fit everything into our schedules, there's one thing I always want to find the time for.
Jackson.
And that's being alone with you, feeling the warmth of your touch, and loving every second of our most intimate moments together. Discovering again and again how very much I love you. With all my heart, happy anniversary. To many more years, this is from hubby, this is from Chelo. To many more years of being by your side. I love you now and forever. Thank you for the unconditional love. As always, my chocolate baby. That is so weird that I signed it. I'm like, happy anniversary, my chocolate baby. That's how I sign all my cards. All my cards is chocolate baby. So, thank you, honey. Now let's eat.
Why did you guys do the same thing?
That's why I laughed. Because I was like, oh, she remembered.
This is our wine, guys. Sparkling ice. Doesn't it look? And then our waitress is Destiny.
Mm-hmm.
It's so crazy. Dinner at home cost you nothing,
Well,
and
it cost you something. You bought it, right?
yeah, but for a steak dinner at a nice restaurant,
Oh, yeah, you're
like if we were to go to like
$100-some.
yeah,
Mm-hmm.
for a nice cut, I paid $13 for our steak, $1 for the potato, and the bags of thing were on clearance.
Mm-hmm.
That's it. And then sparkling ice. And we have ourselves a nice dinner.
Mm-hmm.
Anyways, guys, this is going to be it for today's vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching. 13 years and still going strong. And I just want us to continue to be great together. And another 13 years would be nice.
Yep.
Ultimately, I want forever, but forever is not promised on this earth, so I'll take what I get.
That's right.
Until next time, folks, if you're not a subscriber, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and become a sunshine, and maybe I'll give you some of my steak. Until next video, take care. Bye-bye.